In this video, we're going to look at terms formula for particular AP. Terms formula for particular AP. It has been noted earlier that Cn is equal to A plus n minus 1 times D. This is the general formula for finding the nth term of any AP. But every AP has its own particular term formula, which is a shortcut for deriving the other members of the progression. So what this implies is that although the general formula for AP is what you have here, Tn equals A plus n minus 1D, yet every AP, every sequence that's arithmetic in progression, or that's an arithmetical progression, has its own term formula, and that term formula can be used to derive the members of the progression. Therefore, in this lesson, we are going to look at how to get members of a particular sequence or progression using the terms formula other than the general AP formula. Solution number 1. Find the nth term of the AP 10, 13, 16. 10, 13, 16. So here our first term is 10. So 10 minus 10 is 3, 16 minus 13 is 3, so the common difference is 3. So n is equal to n. Since we are looking for the nth term, the number of terms we are looking for is the nth term. So Tn from general, so it's using general formula, which is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D, where Tn is n, because we're looking for the nth term. So Tn is equal to E, which is 10 plus n minus 1, common difference 3, that's 10 plus 3n minus 3. So 10 minus 3 plus 3n, that's equal to 7n plus, so 7 plus 3n, 7 plus 3n. Number 2, find the nth term of an AP whose first 3 elements are, so 3 over 4, 2, so 3 over 4. First term is 3 over 4. Common difference is 2 minus 3 over 4. So LCM is equal to 4. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 into 4 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. That's 5 over 4. So we're looking for the number. What term are we looking for? The nth term. So that's equal to n. So Tn, using the general formula, to derive the unique formula for this sequence. Tn is equal to E, which is 3 over 4, plus n minus 1, common difference 5 over 4. 3 over 4 plus 5 over 4n minus 5 over 4. So this will give us 3 over 4, 5 over 4n plus 3 over 4 minus 5 over 4. And this will give us 5 over 4n minus 2 over 4. So that's this is the unique formula to generate this sequence. And what you observe is that the unique formula or the unique terms formula for a particular AP is usually gotten from the general AP formula. That is to say, we got this unique formula from the general AP formula. So instead of using this formula time after time, you are looking for the fifth term, just put in place of n, put 5, then you calculate, you get the fifth term. You are looking for T6. Instead of using the general formula, just use this formula instead, because this formula was gotten from the nth formula. The nth term of this sequence was gotten from the general AP formula. So that will give you this shortcut to getting the preceding or the subsequent terms of this sequence. Number 3. Number 3 says un is equal to 3 n plus 2. Is un equal to 3n plus 2 is the nth term of an AP. List the first three terms of the sequence. The first three terms, it's u1 give us 3, 1 plus 2. So 3 times 1, 3 plus 2 equal to 5. u2 is equal to 3, 2 plus 2. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2. That's equal to 8. u3 is equal to 3 times 3 plus 2. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Therefore, the first three terms of the arithmetic progression with nth term un is equal to 2 n plus 2 are 5, 8, 11. Number 4. Find the nth term un of the AP. 11, 4 minus 3. So here the first term is 11. Common difference is 4 minus 11 will give us minus 7. So d is equal to minus 7. As we get minus 7, say 4 minus 11, which is equal to minus 7. So using the general formula, we have Cn, which is the nth term. So n is equal to n. So Cn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Cn is equal to first term 11 plus n minus 1 minus 7. That's 11 minus 7 times n gives us minus 7n. Minus 1 times minus 1 gives us plus 7. So 11 plus 7 minus 7n is equal to 18 minus 7n. So that's the nth term. Number 1. Find the nth term of the sequence 4, 10, 16. So a is equal to 4 and the common difference is 6. So using the general formula, Cn is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 d. Here our first term, so we are going for nth term. So Cn equals a4 plus 4 minus 1 times 6. Sorry, 4 n minus 1 times 6. That was 4 plus 6n minus 6. That's 4 minus 6 plus 6n minus 2n plus minus 2 plus 6n. This gives us 6n minus 2. Number 2. Given the progression 5, 8, 11, 14. Find the expression for the nth term of the progression. So here the first term is 5. Common difference is 8 minus 5 3. 11 minus 8 is 3. And the value for n is 10. So using the general formula, Cn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Cn is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 common difference theory. So 5 plus 3 n minus 3. And that gives us 5 minus 3 plus 2n. 2 plus 2n. Number 2. The formula for the nth term of a sequence is given as n minus 4n. So let's say UN was 9 minus 4n. That's the formula. The question that says, show that the sequence is an AP. For the system to be an AP, that means the common difference should be constant. So if this is the nth term, formula for the nth term, that means the term before the nth term is un minus 1. That will give us 9 minus 4 n minus 1. So yes, this n is for the nth term, so the term before this nth term is n minus 1. So 9 minus 4 n minus 1. So you expand 9 minus 4 times n will give us minus 4n. Minus 4 times minus 1 will give us plus 4. 9 plus 4 minus 4n. This is equal to 13 minus 4n. 13 minus 4n. Common difference is, so the common difference is, so common difference is, this is the nth term. So just like assuming you have the nth term is n, and the term before the nth term is n minus 1. So the common difference will be n minus 1. So this will give us un minus un minus 1. That will give us, okay, yes, un minus 1. Un minus 1. That will be equal to n minus 4n minus 13 minus 4n. N minus 4n minus times 13 gives us minus 13. Minus times minus 4n plus 4n. So 9 minus 13 minus 4 minus 4n plus 4n. This will cancel. 9 minus 13 is equal to minus 4. So show that our common difference is correct. We need to get the term before this n minus 1 term. So that will give us n minus 2 term. So un minus 2 will be n 9 minus 4 n minus 2. So when you expand 9 minus 4 n minus 4 times minus 2 give us minus 8. So, and this will give us 9 minus 8 minus 4n. Let's go to 1 minus 4n. Minus 4 times minus 2 gives us plus 8. So here we plus 8. So 9 plus 8 is equal to 17 minus 4n. So now that we've gotten that un minus 2, that is the term before this term, before the final nth term, which is, if there are 12 terms, this is the 12th term because the sequence has only 12 terms assuming. So this is the 12th term, this is the 11th term, this is the 10th term. So the common difference here, first of all, was T12 minus T11. That gives us minus 4. So we want to confirm if we get the difference between T tens from difference between T10s and T11s, if it's still going to give us minus 4. So if the common difference is constant, that means it shows that the sequence is an AP, because that's what the question says, show that the sequence is an AP. So now we've gotten, first of all, we've gotten nth term, un, which is given to us as 9 minus 4n. And from there we got the term before the 10th, the 12th term. In my own assumption, the term before n, which I assume that, let's assume that n is 12. So if n is 12, the total number of terms in the sequence is 12. That means this is the 12th term and designated as n. Then 11th term is n minus 1. So by the time we subtract n minus 1 from n, which is un minus un minus 1, we got minus 4. So we want to confirm if we subtract n minus 2 from n minus 1, we're still going to get 4. So let's see. Also let's say similarly, un minus 1 minus un minus 2. So un minus 1 is 13 minus 4n. 13 minus 4n minus un minus 2, 17 minus 4n. So 13 minus 4n minus 17 minus 17n minus 9 minus 4n plus 4n. So this will give us 13 minus 17. So this is not n. Minus 9 minus 17 is minus 17, not 17n. So minus 17, then minus 4n plus 4n. So minus 4n plus 4n will cancel out, and 13 minus 17 is equal to 4 minus 4. So what does that tell you? Since the common difference is constant, un minus 1, un minus 1 minus un minus 2 is equal to minus 4, and un minus 1 is equal to minus 4. Therefore, the common difference is minus 4, or you can say common difference is equal to minus 4. So B, this is write down the first 4 terms of the sequence using the general formula. Cn is equal to A plus n minus 1 d, but Tn, okay, let me use un in this case, but un, which is the nth term, which is the nth term, is given as 9 minus 4n. 9 minus 4n. So 9 minus 4n, which is un, the nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1. And d is our common difference, and that's minus 4. So let's open. 9 minus 4n is equal to A plus minus 4 times n gives us minus 4n. Minus 4 times minus 1 will give us plus 4. Now this will give us 9 minus 4n. Bring your n to this side, this is plus 4n, and then minus 4. We're going to have A. So A, which is our first term, A is equal to 9 minus 4n plus 4n will cancel. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So the first term is 5. So our first term is 5. Then the second term, T2. The second term is A plus D. So now we can use the general formula to get the second term. 5 plus common difference minus 4. Plus times minus is minus 4. That's equal to 1. T3 is equal to A plus 2D. That's 5 plus 2 times minus 4. 5 plus 2 times minus 4 is minus 8 minus 3. T4 is equal to A plus 2D. That's equal to 5 plus 3 times minus 4. 5 plus 3 times minus 4 is minus 12. That's equal to minus 7. So therefore, the first 4 terms are 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7.